Hey, what is up, guys? I'm Trader Josh, and welcome to my channel. I'm not trying to waste your time, I'm just trying to make you some bread. Let's go. Okay, so something I need to say about this channel before I go any further is this channel is for informational purposes only, and you should not take my financial decisions from this video alone. You should talk to a licensed professional before making any final decisions. If you have any questions, check out my disclaimer on Discord. I'm gonna tell you what to do when you see a dip, okay? You scoop that sauce. As long as it's not Nicola flavored dip, don't scoop that. Here's some of the stocks I'm gonna be continue to scoop up. Neo, Shopify, Tesla, and Splunk. And here's some of the stocks I'm going to be talking about today. GE, ACB, Sundial, Facebook, Planeteer, and Airbnb. And guys, don't forget to open an account with Webull using my link in the description, and you can get up to 2 free stocks and another 4 free stocks if you deposit $100 using my link down below.
Alarm! Alarm!
Attention, Tesla stock may be seeing another surge today very soon on their next report. I think full self-driving we may see as soon as Christmas this year, which is a huge deal because this will mean Tesla will be the first manufacturer to have a fully autonomous vehicle. That means we may see Tesla taxis, and it means we also may be having our own Batmobiles. Yes, that means a car that could come and pick you up after Tesla is done working on its own for the day. I know, usually after we've seen inclusion into the S&P, the stock can die down. But with Tesla, I don't think this will be the case because analysts will take into account the full self-driving, and I'm not even going to get started on the jet.
Now, have you ever looked at
How it works.
planes and gone, I could fix this? I just don't have the
Yeah,
time. Too
I
busy making.
have a design for a plane.
You do?
Yes.
A better design?
I mean, probably. I think it is. Yes.
Who have you talked to about this?
And I've talked to friends,
Friends?
and
I'm your friend.
girlfriends,
You
and
can tell me. What do you got? What's going on?
well, I mean, the exciting thing to do would be some sort of electric vertical takeoff and landing, supersonic jet of some kind.
Okay, but now into the next stock, Neo. Neo is growing at almost 100% each month in car production, meeting the demand, and they're actually growing at a way higher rate than Tesla, maybe because China is so good at manufacturing things, and this is mostly a tech vehicle with lots of different electrical parts. I think Neo Day on January 9th will bring the stock prices somewhere around $50 to $60 range, and this is a conservative call. Okay, trying to run through these stocks as fast as I can now. This stock has been pointed out to me by a member in the Discord. You could join the Discord down below. Um, so GE, General Electric, they are a company that does a lot of things like dishwashers. You might have I don't know, a laundry machine that is General Electric, a lot of different things, and they are into power renewable energy. Okay, and they are into hydropower and all kinds of different renewable energy, which is great because Biden administration is a huge beneficiary of green technologies. So I think GE is a great buy right now, even at this price point. I can see it going up to $13. So good call, guy. All right, Aura Canvas, another one that was been shown to me by my Discord, and this is a weed stock. All weed stocks are probably going to go up um, after, the Senate passes the bill to legalize. Um, it's kind of a little risky of a move because there's a chance that they don't pass it. And I mean, we've seen that time and time again. But I don't know. It's a huge opportunity for the government to make money. And I honestly think they're all about making money, especially in a time like this. So um, you could probably buy this on a dip and make some good cash. Okay, going along with the theme of things, weed. Uh, next one here is Sundial, and Sundial is a stock I love because I bought this one pretty cheap at about that much a share, and that was 3 weeks ago. So I don't know if any great deals are going to come out again, but if you could buy it on dip anywhere lower than 50 cents, which we might see tomorrow on Monday, I would buy it. But other than that, it's a hold. Now let's talk about Facebook. I love Facebook personally. I think there's huge potential for the stock to even double in a few years. Yes, I know these stocks that I'm pointing out are all going to be probably long-term holds, guys. Look to maybe holding this for as long as you can, honestly, because I just think they're really good companies, and I think they have um, I think we're going to see them a lot more in the future. All right, now Planeteer, which has recently dipped a bunch after it shot up in price, but I think this is actually a good thing because, I mean, $30 is a little expensive, but now at $22 to $26, we could probably buy in now. And $23, I don't know, I might buy a couple shares of this because they have huge potential for growth. They're doing some really huge things in the business sector of technology and cloud networking and things. But yeah, I would take a look at this company, and um, I would recommend buying in at lows if you can. Buying in on those dips wherever you can. And Planeteer is a great hold or great buy. Okay, so another stock I want to talk about is Airbnb. This stock has not IPO'd yet in the New York Stock Exchange, but it will be available on this Thursday for the first time ever at around a $40 to $50 price target. And I would definitely buy this stock when it comes out because it's just, I mean, how many times have you used Airbnb since it's come out? I've used it a couple times myself, but I'm sure you guys have tried it and probably had a great experience. So this is probably the way. I don't see any hotels and huge, you know, companies like that really doing any great business now that, there's that virus. So look into buying Airbnb when it comes out on this Thursday. So yeah. All right, last but not least, I just wanted to show you guys that I did place some calls for BlackBerry that are expiring on December. Well, I did place them December 6th, but they're expiring on the 24th of this December. And yeah, I think BlackBerry will reach a $10 price range, but these are options. So what an option is I might have to make another video on this, but I'll try to go over it kind of quickly. Don't do options because they are very risky unless you know what you're doing. Okay. But basically how it works is you're buying 100 shares, you're controlling 100 shares of a stock at a premium price point, and you're basically going to pay what the max you can lose is. And if the stock goes up, you can make that percentage back on your money, whatever percentage minus the premium. And if you lose your money, well, you lose all the money you put in the first place. So it gets kind of complicated. But if you go to Robinhood and you type in what are calls, it gives you a pretty good idea of how that works. So I would do that. Yeah, Neo's looking great. Oh, one more, guys, is Splunk. It's got a funny name, but also it's a data company, and I'm only interested in it because if you go over to lucid.com, which is a website that shows you exactly what the ETF or index fund ARK is investing in, which ARK is an index fund that um, is really well known amongst us traders because they have made pretty good calls in the past and they tend to be pretty spot on. But yeah, they are buying Splunk on this dip that we're having, and you could check all their buys out on this website, Lucid, right here. So lucidtracking.com. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just saying you should check it out. So Splunk, let's type in ticker symbol SPLK. Recently on a dip here, pretty huge dip, and I would buy this dip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you haven't already, sign up for Webull and get a free 6 stocks, um, all worth up to possibly $1,400, which is crazy. All you have to do is deposit $100, and if you haven't signed up already, sign up for Cash App and Robinhood. Links are all in the description to get all the benefits. Thank you, traders. See ya.